If you're watching this, you're probably looking for some great woodworking plans, ideas, or tutorials. This video won't show you any project start to finish, but you can find many step-by-step videos on the channel, or click any of the links in the description. I'd to share with you some considerations about how to spot good plans online, as there's a huge variety of them, free or not. When you look at Anna White's website, you will find a variety of easy-to-build woodworking projects. These plans are designed to help you improve your home, and the time and materials required to complete them are simple to understand. The site also includes videos and a step-by-step guide to help you build like a pro. In the past decade, Anna E. White, also known as Anna White, has been designing furniture plans that are both affordable and elegant. With her blog, she has inspired millions of people to take up woodworking. She has been featured in numerous magazines and websites. She has teamed up with several companies to create high-quality furniture and woodworking plans. One of these partners is Craig Jig. This company offers a wide range of products, including plywood, hardwoods, and veneers. Another partner is Home Depot. Their website has a large database of woodworking plans. It also has a handy search function. Anna White has also partnered with Ryobi. They offer free woodworking plans. You can use the site to find projects for any skill level. There are over 500 plans to choose from. Each plan comes with a materials list, estimated cost, and a video tutorial. If you're looking to sell a project, starting a blog can be a good idea. But keep your focus on a specific market. Some people will only want a particular type of project, such as a bookcase, while others may be more interested in a privacy screen. Anna White also has a Facebook page. Most of her content is generated by fans, but she also responds to questions and comments. Fans can then connect with her and share their own ideas and builds. Using the internet to find quality woodworking plans is a great way to get started on your new project. Whether you want to build a dining table or a simple bench, you will find a wide variety of plans that fit your budget. Here are some sites that can help you start your search. The DIY Source offers a large selection of woodworking plans. They include videos, photos, diagrams, and step-by-step instructions. Some of the projects they offer are free, while others are for a small fee. Another resource for free woodworking plans is Family Handyman. They are easy to use and have a wide range of projects. A simple search will bring up thousands of ideas. If you need more in-depth information, you can sign up for a newsletter or join the forum. In addition, they have a television show and magazine. You can also find free downloadable plans. Popular Woodworking has been publishing articles and plans for nearly 30 years. They consistently produce great content, including great photos, detailed cut lists, and step-by-step instructions. The Woodworkers Guild is a group of woodworkers who meet regularly to share ideas and discuss projects. They have a blog and forum. One of the members, Pat Warner, is an author and teacher. This site is especially helpful for beginners. Wood Central is an online marketplace for woodworkers. It is a source of over 25,000 plans. These are suitable for novice carpenters or experienced hobbyists. Many of the plans are in PDF format. Alternatively, you can find plans by independent designers. Jay's Custom Creations offers 52 free woodworking plans. You can find a variety of plans from Canadian Tire. These are easy to follow and provide expert advice. If you're planning to build your own furniture, then it's a good idea to consider getting woodworking plans online. These will help you ensure that the measurements you make are accurate, and that the pieces you build are of high quality. Woodworking plans online are available in a variety of sources. Some sources offer free plans, while others offer premium content. The key is to find one that has clear, detailed instructions. Getting the right plan can help you save time and money. There are also sites that offer step-by-step tutorials and videos. These may be accompanied by diagrams, photos, and other visual elements that walk you through the steps of a project. The Modern Woodworkers Association has an active blog and forums, as well as weekly podcasts. This is a great resource for connecting with other woodworkers and for learning more about different types of projects. Popular Woodworking has been around for 30 years and consistently produces high-quality content. The site has an impressive database of over 7,000 plans, and each article includes great visuals. They publish 6 issues per year, and they have a subscriber base of over 350,000. Fix This Build That is a woodworking website by a husband and wife team. Their blog contains lots of pictures and step-by-step tutorials. It also has a magazine and a television show. Anna White has been designing affordable DIY projects for over a decade. Her website features a number of projects, including a farmhouse bed with storage drawers, a birdhouse, and an entire set of DIY kitchen cabinets. She also offers an extensive list of projects with costs and estimated time to build. There are several ways to find quality woodworking plans online for personal use licensing. Some are easier than others. However, all of them can help you to generate continuous value for your designs. You'll also be able to reach a new audience. One of the most effective ways to promote your plans is through social media. Using social networking tools such as Facebook Pixel, you can create a custom image for your products and track your Facebook data. This is especially useful for your small business. Moreover, you can customize your pixel to fit different types of products. Similarly, you can advertise your plans through direct mail and at trade shows. Aside from these, you can publish your work on blogs. In addition, you can use video capture capabilities on almost all computer operating systems. By doing so, you can create podcasts and live streams. And you can have an extensive help section for users. Another way to market your designs is through an online marketplace. These platforms can provide a complete infrastructure for independent designers. They address the sales, marketing, and distribution challenges. The best part is that they allow you to set a price and upload your plans. For professional woodworkers, publishing and distributing their plans can generate additional income. As long as you meet the requirements and you have a strong marketing strategy, you can easily generate revenue from your designs. To make it happen, you have to first determine the target audience for your design. Then, you need to establish a good channel of distribution. Lastly, you need to know how to get a business license. You need to have an employer identification number, EIN, which is basically your social security number. Thank you for watching our woodworking project video. We hope that you found it helpful. Share with us what you think via the comment section. It also helps the channel to grow, as your likes do. We can't wait to show you our next video, which should be about how to build a woodworking shed. Subscribe to our channel for more great woodworking project plans and tips. Until next time, happy woodworking!